'Tis Christmas season, governor, so we shall make a gingered cider poached pear with maple cinnamon cream. I don't know why I did that accent. I've been reading some old English Christmas tales. So anyway, just quarter your pears, take out the seeds, stick them directly in this tube. You see how we got it angled up? Don't use your little insert there because you want them submerged in this gingered cider. I smashed a piece of ginger in there, of course, too. This contraption, this thing's awesome. This is our GoSun brew. You could use it to boil water for tea, coffee, etc., whatever. We're going to use it to make our cream sauce. So we put in our cream, stick of cinnamon, maple syrup, which is my favorite sweetener. Sometimes I just pour it on my wife when she's in a bad mood and it sweetens her up. Grate in some nutmeg for that Christmas festival scent. And here we are outside. You can see it's angled up, so those pears are in there submerged in the cider. Insert the GoSun brew, pan up to show the sun. Listen to the sound. The GoSun made that all by itself. I didn't add that sound effect. Here's the finished cream. Nice caramelized flavor. Just drizzle it over your pears. Dust it with a little bit of cinnamon. You got a delicious Christmas dessert.